Businesses that don't adapt AI are going to die. They just don't know it yet. Right now, thousands of small service businesses are still doing everything manually, while smart entrepreneurs are quietly building AI armies. And these armies, they never sleep. They don't call in sick. They don't ask for raises. They work 24/7, handling client tasks and scaling your business without the overhead. So you think I'm being dramatic? Just look around. Zoom went from a simple video call app to a full blown AI platforms. Startups are raising $100 million plus just because they claim to use AI. But most businesses aren't using it well. That's where Leverage and Grow comes in. We just dropped a nuclear bomb of business tools, 7 AI powered systems designed to replace entire departments when used correctly, from marketing to lead capture to customer service. And your competitors, uh, they don't even know this stuff exists yet. Stay until the end of this video because I'm going to walk you through every single tool and how it gives you an unfair advantage. Let's go. So, tool number one is Voice AI, which is your 24/7 receptionist. Voice AI answers every inbound call, even when your team is sleeping. It captures names, emails, phone numbers, reasons for calling, all without you lifting a finger. So, no more missed appointments, no angry voicemails. You can keep your receptionist during the day if you want, but at night, Voice AI steps in. So you can set it up in 2 ways. Basic mode by just selecting what you wanted to ask, name, email, the reason for the call, 4 clicks, and you're done, right? Or you can go into the advanced mode with a customized tone. You can add brand specific scripts, create intelligent call routing, and trigger automations based on what's said. So this is like hiring 3 full-time receptionists without the payroll. Tool number two is Funnel AI, which is marketing campaigns in minutes. Remember when building a funnel took a week? Now it takes less than 10 minutes. Funnel AI inside Leverage and Grow generates high converting headlines, sales pages, opt ins, and thank you pages, and lead magnets and follow ups, all using proven templates and AI written copy. So it connects the dots automatically. No more blank pages, no more duct taping 6 different tools together. Launch offers fast, test variations quickly, find winners, and then scale. So, tool number three is Website AI, which is a full website with no code needed. So, if you need a legit online presence, Website AI builds your full website, which is your homepage, your about page, your services, your legal disclaimers, everything, just by describing your business. So, this is great for service businesses like estheticians, massage therapists, mobile detailers, fitness coaches. And if you don't know how to code, well, it doesn't matter. And if you don't have $2,000 for a developer, you don't need it. AI builds your website in hours, not weeks like it used to be. So, tool number four is Conversation AI, which is an omni channel customer support. So, this is next level. So, Conversation AI handles conversations across SMS, Instagram DMs, Facebook messengers, and your website chat. So, it answers FAQs instantly, it qualifies leads while you sleep, and it schedules appointments automatically while never getting tired. So it learns your business, your prices, your services, and your hours and gives accurate info 24/7. So you can train it with real FAQs and your offers, and it gets smarter the more you use it. Tool number five is Content AI, and this is endless posts, emails, and blogs. So if you're like me, you hate creating content, well, let AI write it for you. So inside of the platform, you can instantly generate social media posts, blog articles, email sequences, marketing copy. Now, is it Pulitzer Prize winning? Probably not. But for a local business looking to show up online, it's more than enough to rank, convert, and stay on top of mind, right? Especially if your competitors aren't posting at all. And then tool number six is Workflow AI. This is one of my favorites. You can build automations without the tech stress. So I know you've heard of automations. Now imagine AI helping you build them. So Workflow AI walks you through the entire process. If someone books an appointment, send a thank you text. If someone clicks if someone clicks this link, trigger a follow-up offer. No Zapier, no integrations, no chaos. Just click, drag type of logic, right? And then AI helps you explain every step. So it's a quick and easy setup. Follow up flows, abandoned cart reminders, referral systems, VIP upsells, all in one place. And tool number 7 is external AI integrations. So you can supercharge everything with OpenAI. So if you want to go next level, the platform allows you to let you plug in your own open AI keys, GPT agents, and even outside CRMs if needed, but you have an internal CRM. So you can use this to build lead scoring based on conversations, dynamic responses, and personalized to intent. And then AI sales agents trained on your business. So you actually open yourself up to enterprise level tools without the $10,000 a month software fees. So, why does this matter for small businesses? So, Leverage and Grow was built specifically for service based entrepreneurs who are tired of duct taping tools together, overpaying for subscriptions, or losing leads to broken systems. A CRM that so you get a CRM that actually works, AI that answers calls, books appointments, and writes content, and a full back end to automate your business while you sleep. And like really, the support is unmatched. You can hop on a call with me or anyone from my team and get help live. No ticket, no wait. It's all in one. No more tech headaches. If you're ready to stop hustling manually and start scaling like the pros, tap the link below to activate your leverage and growth system and let the AI army go to work for you. Then watch what happens. Subscribe, like, and share this with a friend who needs to automate their business. Let's build.